Hello everybody. As you can see, we're not home again. It seems to be a pretty common occurrence for the weekends here anymore. We are visiting with Steve and Imee and just had lunch at their place in Talibon, and Steve just brought us out to the farm here and kind of panned slowly around. There's his multi-cab here. There's Beth and Steve and their little girl, and right behind them is Imee here. So just to kind of take a look, because he's working on this along with yeah, a lot of coconut trees, and they're going to be putting up their house down in the flat spot down there, from what I understand.
And this is the rice field, all these rice fields, all the way down the bottom.
So we'll kind of walk down here a little bit, but yeah, a beautiful piece of property. And as we kind of go downhill here, and if you can see the posts in the background there, those are the boundaries to the property here, and down to the rice fields, and across the other side of the rice fields you can see how kind of the posts go through here, and yeah, what an absolutely beautiful spot.
See where the piggeries?
Oh yeah. And off in the distance there is going to be his piggery. That's kind of like, almost like an island there.
Yeah.
And and like I said, you can see the posts as the boundary to his property here, and how it winds up through there. And on the other sides of the rice fields here is a small little creek that flows down there. But he's putting up a piggery over here, and but the rice fields are huge. You're talking multiple sacks of rice here off here. Yeah, what an absolutely beautiful location.
Listen to the birds.
Yep. Wow. And kind of back up the hill here a little bit where they're going to put the house, but coconut trees here. And it's been raining even here, and the Sunday here has kind of been an on and off sprinkle kind of rainy day. Not much accumulation, just a lot of just dripply drizzly type of weather. And of course now the sun seems to be coming out, and I can feel it on my face. But yeah.
And then on the other day, 3 days, you spray again.
Anyway.
But yeah, so good.
Yeah. I paid somebody the other day, and he did the other side, so now it's just here.
Wow.
But it looks healthy because we put
Where
fertilizer
did the
twice.
water goes? The water?
Diyan lang.
From the rain?
No,
No.
from the...
It comes from the top
The hill?
rice fields. And there's a thing there that...
Wow.
Pero doon hindi talaga siya nawawala ng tubig.
Yeah.
Laging may tubig doon.
Yeah,
We need
huge.
to put a fish pan here.
We're going to put a fish pond, but we're going to put it on the side. We go walk down, I'll show you where we're going to put it, because I've got plenty of land.
Yeah, we'll kind of walk down this direction here,
Coconut. Wow.
where they're going to put
Must
the...
be 15 years old. The dwarf coconut. Or 20.
Guru, you got an umbrella in the car, why don't you get it just in case? In the back.
Yep.
Okay, come on.
better watch where my feet are going here, or I'm going to wind up, my nose is going to meet the grass here. Yeah. Yeah, and I know the last time we were up here, they put in all the posts here for the fence since then, so his guys have been doing a lot of work. And It looks like the sky's kind of breaking up here, so like I said, hopefully won't get too wet here. But you get an idea of where the posts go here. And like I said, down at this end of the property is a small creek that flows through. It's kind of a boundary. And he mentioned they dug down for a well and hit water at 6 feet. So the water table here, I wish I could say that at my place. The water table here has got to be quite high, and it's pretty evident with all the water in the creek down here. So yep, and it drops off here fairly steeply, and the road kind of goes through here, and you can see all the mud down here below. But look at, wow, look at the size of the creek. Yeah, and it's actually, like I said, the boundary here. And
part of the property is that road too, but we're not gonna. We left it to the people.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, baby.
Oh, it's so nice to have this creek in here. Wow, makes such a big difference. And that you got water, and it's starting to rain here. So I'm gonna let you people go so I can get my camera here under cover and that, and be back again with you soon.